Understanding heat on low, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English cooking instructions, heat on low. Whether you're new to English or just cooking, understanding this phrase will help you in both language and culinary skills. Let's dive in. Heat on low might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning. It's a phrase often found in cooking recipes. Let's break it down. Heat refers to the temperature used for cooking. It's a versatile word used in various contexts. But in cooking, it's all about how hot you make your food. On low means setting your heat source to a low level. Whether it's a stove, an oven, or any other cooking appliance, you're setting it to a gentle, minimal heat. Now, why do recipes ask you to heat on low? 1. Preventing burning. Low heat stops food from burning. It's crucial for dishes that need slow cooking. 2. Flavor development. Some recipes require a slow cook to develop flavors, especially in stews and soups. 3. Controlled cooking. It gives you more control. High heat can be unpredictable, but low heat is more manageable. Let's see how this phrase is used in real-life scenarios. In recipes, heat the oil on low before adding onions. In cooking shows, now, we'll heat this on low for about 20 minutes. In everyday conversation, if the sauce starts boiling, just heat it on low. That's all about heat on low. Remember, it's more than just a cooking instruction. It's a small window into understanding practical English usage. Hope this helps in your English learning journey and maybe in improving your cooking skills too. Happy learning and cooking!